Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be installing another stick of RAM in my Latitude 7300 laptop. First thing we gotta do is take the screws out. We got one here, 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 there, here, and here. Now with all the screws undone, just gotta pop the cover off, and you can see here we have RAM stick number 1 and RAM slot number 2. Now these motherboards have 8 GB soldered straight to the board, so we're going to be upping to 24. Once the RAM's ready to go in, it is simple as insert all the way and press down. Put the bottom cover back on. Magic. Like so. Tighten all your screws down to about 1 oomph. And as you can see here, we are now from 16 gigabytes to 24 gigabytes of memory. So, thank you for watching. Have a good one.